this is Micaela from Airstream DFW. Today I'm in the showroom. Christmas has come to the showroom, and I'm standing in front of a 2026 Bambi 20-foot front bed. I looked back, we hadn't done this since like 2023, I think. So there is some upgrades here. I've got a couple in stock. They're priced really great. If you're not familiar with the Bambi series, we're talking about a single axle. This is Airstream's kind of entry-level single axle. If you're curious about Airstream, you're not ready to commit to a big 27-foot, you don't need much, you're a weekend camper, this is gonna be for you. 20-foot is actually my favorite single axle floor plan. Huge kitchen, nice dinette, good windows. So let's take a look at these things. I'm gonna show you all the new features for 2026. So standing here at the front of the trailer, you can see we're right by where the tongue hitch is. They actually upgraded this a few years ago. We've got an electric tongue jack on this Bambi now. You've got a light, a 7-way plug, of course, 2 20-pound tanks on any single axles, you guys. So these propane tanks are gonna run a little LP out we have here at the front to hook up a gas grill. You also, it's gonna heat your stovetop, your water heater, and then inside your furnace, basically. So if you're doing any cold weather camping, you've got plenty of propane for that. Now, we're ordering this with an upgraded solar and lithium. So you've got 2 Battle-Born lithium batteries and 200 watts of solar on here, guys. So a little extra lithium and solar. If you want to order your own without those and go your own direction, you can do that as well. But anything we have in stock here at the showroom, that's how we're going to order it. Up here on the tongue is also a little solar port. So if you wanted to set up some of those photo frame portable solar panels to get a little more juice, you can as well. And then of course we're gonna have the solar guards. Bambis actually have a 3M protection here on both sides, so any of those little rocks that come up. So unlike a Caravelle or any of the other bigger, higher trim levels, you don't have the stone guards. Of course, our service department could install those if you wanted to upgrade your Bambi a little bit, but you're still gonna keep your solar guards here to protect your glass and have some protection with this 3M tape. Of course, I'm glad I have this one open because you guys don't always see this as I'm doing this walk around, that this kind of acts as your awning on your front side. And then of course your glass window is also gonna open as well to kind of give you some airflow through this front. So, okay, keep following me because I'm gonna show you one of the new features for 2026 right here. So, what we did for 2026 is we're switching from a Girard tankless water heater to a Fagatti tankless water heater. I think this is a smart move for Airstream. This is something that's made here in America, really efficient, kind of works off electricity and propane, super hot, that it's got that instant shower heat that everybody wants, and we're still staying tankless. So really easy to use. Remember, you guys, as we're kind of going into these cooler months, we're lucky here in Texas it doesn't freeze so early. But if you're watching this from another state, don't forget, if you have a tankless water heater on your Airstream, we want to winterize, make sure that that's winterized too. That's where we see the most freeze damage, is people just forgetting that just because it's a tankless, it doesn't need to be winterized. It does, it does. So there's my tip of the day, I guess. Now, as you look, here's the windows on a Bambi. Now, the windows on a Bambi are a little different than on a Caravelle. So you can do the same floor plan in a Caravelle, which would be going up in trim a little bit. So we're budget friendly here. We're staying on that lower end inside of a Bambi. So one of the things we're kind of giving up is full size windows on this side. But you've still got these that open, still have some breeze on this side. Now, right behind me, you're still gonna have outdoor shower with hot and cold water. That still stays the same on any Airstream. You'll always have that outside hot and cold water. Smart plug, this is the new 2026. I think I've mentioned that in one of my other videos. We've got this new like 90-degree angle, so you can get up pretty close to something and still be able to plug in. So nice. This, of course, is a 30 amp trailer. We've got one AC, so 30 amp plug here. Dump stations are going to be on this side, as well as your city water and your black tank flush. Okay, follow me onto the back. So Now that we're on the back side, you'll notice a little difference on a Bambi compared to some of the other models that I've done before. We don't have an awning on this rear side, you guys. Caravel's the first model that's gonna let you have that option to add on a rear awning. But they did give the Bambi the upgrade of the new camera. So we've got this very integrated rear camera. It's not just a backup camera, it is a full-time rear camera. So even when you're driving down the road, you're gonna be able to see behind you. This one sits a little nicer, like the view you get in the back as you're driving is a little wider, it's a little lower. I know the other one sat a little higher, so it was hard to see what was down low behind you. Then we also are gonna have some storage here on the rear. Closes up, comes completely seamless. And this little box here is your fresh water tank fill. Okay, do y'all want to check out inside this thing? Okay, let me orient you guys to where we're in. So this is the front of the trailer where I'm standing. Front bed, FB if you ever see that, so front bed. You guys, this bed measures, I'm gonna say like a full-size bed. They call it a queen. The measurement is closer to a full-size bed. 2 people can sleep here. You've got some storage above, blackout curtains. All this bedding comes with your Airstream. All of them come with their own bedding. A nice big hanging closet here, and then some drawers as well. So when you're back in the bedroom, there's actually USBs, you've got a plug, so easy to set your phone back here and actually have it charged throughout the night. So just what you need up here in the front. Remember, this is only a 20-foot trailer, it's small. You've got a curtain that closes, and then to the right of me here is your dinette. So this dinette's also gonna make a bed. I mean, y'all comment below, but I would say most of my couples that are in a 19-foot, which they don't make anymore, or 20-foot, are really doing this kind of using these 2 spaces as twin beds. Someone sleeping here, someone sleeping here. We all like to stretch out and have our own room. So that's absolutely fine. You can do that. We've got the 2 sleeping spaces. If y'all wanted to bring a grandkid or bring a friend, y'all could cozy up. Airstream says this sleeps 4. So, okay, let me show you the kitchen next. Okay, so I'm sitting at the dinette. You can see how much room that is. You guys know I'm 5'4", so very comfortable. Actually, 4 people could sit in here very comfortable. You have storage under each side. And I feel like anytime I'm in single axles, I feel like I'm always kind of rooting for a Caravel. But I will tell you about the Bambi, and the reason most of my customers love this Bambi is the interior colors. Having cloth seating, some people just prefer that over the ultra leather. It feels a little softer, and these colors feel very feminine or very light and airy, so it doesn't feel as enclosed in, especially on the older Caravels if you're looking at pre-owned. So I understand the draw to this Bambi, and of course the pricing is a huge draw too. So like I said, this table drops down and makes a bed here, but this is very comfortable seating for 4 and really roomy for just 2 people to sit here at this dinette. And you've got this great view of your roadside, shades here, and then a little light if you're playing cards or something and need some more lighting here while you're sitting at this table. So nice and roomy here. Let's check out the rest of the kitchen. So I'm standing in the best part of a Bambi 20 or any 20-foot, the kitchen. This is just a huge space, you guys. You have a fridge. This is about 4 cubic square foot with a freezer. Just enough space to hold some ice, but it's there if you need it. So nice and roomy there. Above is your TV. This TV is actually adjustable. So if you're laying in bed, you're still able to watch TV. This is a 12-volt smart TV. This is the remote. You actually have all the things that a smart TV would have: Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, like just instant push button. And since I haven't filmed this layout since 2023, I think that is an upgrade that's been since then. So it's definitely worth mentioning. And having a 12-volt TV that'll run off of battery power is so nice, especially from point A to point B. If you're stopping with the kids to make lunch and you can click on the TV, that's great. As far as streaming services go, This is pre-wired for Starlink, so you could hook up Starlink, you could use the data off your phone, bring your own device, AT&T, Nomad, all different kinds of internet options to keep in here to be able to stream off this TV. And then check out this counter space. So I think a 20-foot actually has more counter space than some of the biggest trailers Airstream makes. So if you like to cook or if you have a lot of kitchen storage, this may be the one for you. You've got these big, nice sized drawers. I would say these are like residential sized drawers. Utensil holder, of course, we always have to have that. 2 burner top stove top here. So I hear this all the time from my customers, like, I would never use more than 1 in my camper, or maybe I would never use more than 2. And all the big ones come with 3 stovetop burners. So we're saving a little space here with just having 2. On this side, you still have a window that opens, so nice breeze through the kitchen. Regular microwave. The Bambi does not have a convection microwave option, so if that's important to you, we need to look at the Caravelle. But if it's not, if you never even use the microwave anyways, just fine here. And then on this side of me is your kitchen, and you've got this big cabinet underneath for your trash. The sink, of course, is going to have your cutting board that we've come to expect from Airstream, so nice cutting board there. And then on this side is the bathroom. I like how the bathroom is not right up against the bed. You guys, if you've ever seen a 19-foot, it's discontinued, but if you've ever seen a 19-foot, the bed is right up against this bathroom. So having it on opposite ends is kind of nice. So do y'all want to check out the bathroom now? Okay, I'm standing in the bathroom. Nice sized bathroom. This is what we consider a corner bathroom. You can see the shower is very easy. 5'4", I'm 5'4", so my 6-foot guys, you've got a little bit of room in here. Shower on this side, clothes drying rack here. Little bench to set your shampoos and conditioners over here. Put your leg up, shave your legs if you're into that. Toilet, and then of course on this side we've got a nice medicine cabinet and your sink. So all in one, at least it's a single axle with a full bathroom and not a dry bath. So super roomy, this kitchen and bathroom. I would say a 20-foot Bambi or 20-foot Caravelle is really giving like a studio apartment feel. So if that's plenty for you, if you're just weekending it, this is actually a great trailer to choose. So if you've made it this far, thank you for watching my videos. We are getting ready to kind of start planning for our videos for the upcoming year for 2026. We're already in December. We're so excited. So if there is a model that you have not seen us do that you want us to do, comment it below. We're making that list now. If you have seen the new Stetson 4.6's Ranch trailer and you're interested in that, we are taking pre-orders for it now. I should see my first one late January. So go ahead and get your name on that list. I'm sure we will have a party. If you've never been to one of our parties before, they are super fun to come to. So give us a call here at the store, 817-882-6610. Ask for me or any of the sales staff and we'll get you on that waiting list. If I don't see you before then, Merry Christmas. You guys have a great holiday season and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.